about to quarter saw some sycamore, and I thought I'd walk you through the process. So obviously this was a big log round before, and I cut the cap off here, and then I came to just above the pith, and I cut that off when this was oriented like this, so the blade came through like that. Now I've got this whole thing turned on the side, and quarter sawn grain is when the growth rings are vertical or perpendicular to the face of the board. So if you draw out kind of the growth rings on here, you can kind of see as I cut in through here, this would all be rift sawn up here because the growth rings are going this way. But then as we get further into down here, as we're cutting boards off this way, so this would be rift, 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 and now we're getting into the quarter sawn grain where the growth rings are perpendicular to the face of the board, so that hopefully once we open this log up, we'll take that off, that rift sawn stuff, and we'll get into this board. And these boards here should show a lot of that medullary ray fleck that is kind of hallmark for quarter sawn sycamore, otherwise known as American Lacewoods. I've cut down to where I should start to be getting into some quarter sawn grain here. And let's flip over and see what's what. So you're starting to get them, but we're not quite there yet. There it is, we found it. Let's cut a few more. So I've cut a few more boards off, and this should be getting into the good stuff, the sauce. And we are. You can kind of see, and this is rough sawn, but how gorgeous that ray fleck is. All right, let's flip this one over and see what the next one looks like. Also stunning. So all this snakeskin looking stuff is that ray fleck. What we have now that we're in the shade is some beautiful quarter sawn sycamore. American Lacewood. Beautiful.